would be a clear winner out of Europe with a longer term view? So let's say, I know it's difficult to predict the long term these days, but with whatever little thing that we can manage, what is that one trend that you believe people who are investing into Europe from outside Europe should watch out for? That one key trend that you believe will be a winner in Europe?
So the key trend in Europe, and I'm talking about for the next 2 years, is obviously I believe the reopening in China is pretty big. And I truly believe that, the luxury sector, for instance, is one area where any investors looking at Europe should be at least invested in that market. This is probably, first of all, Europe is really leading in that sector by far.
Yes.
Two of the main conglomerate with LVMH and Kering. And if you look more specifically about those companies, during the pandemic, they have been doing extremely well, particularly last year. So most of those companies have very, very sound balance sheet, a lot of cash flow to invest for growth outside of the Europe. You remember LVMH acquiring Tiffany in the US. The next step will be probably an acquisition in the US or even outside the US, reinforcing sales in China, expanding in India, where you have a tremendous, addressable market there. So that's the future of this industry, and I believe any investor should really look at that industry.